The Indian Oil Corporation has gone ahead and hiked those diesel prices by as much as 45 paise a litre. This hike will come into effect from midnight itself. Remember, this is more or less on expected lines, and what we did hear the oil minister, Mr. Veerappa Moily, say earlier on in the day that now diesel companies will have a free hand when it comes to really hiking these prices time to time, as he put it. They will not have to check with the government anymore every time they revise a price. But Nitya Balakrishnan is standing by with more details on what she's picking up. Nitya.
Well, Tanya, what we're picking up from sources in the oil marketing companies at the moment is that they've decided to actually go ahead and implement this effective midnight. Now, we're waiting for official confirmation from the companies on this just yet. But what we're picking up from top management sources is that it will likely to be a 45 paise hike per litre when it comes to diesel, effective midnight. They've decided to take that decision today. Also, what they're indicating is that they're likely to cut petrol prices by 25 paise per litre. That is also something that the management has indicated will be effective midnight. What we're also picking up from sources is that they're likely to go ahead and decide to sell diesel to bulk buyers at market rates. That is a very important decision as far it will have a huge impact on sectors like steel, cement, power, etc. So definitely crucial decisions being taken by oil marketing companies today. But we're waiting once again for the official confirmation on this just yet. But 45 paise effective midnight is what diesel is likely to get more expensive by.
Right, and Nitya, so more importantly than that diesel price hike at the pump, we're also picking up that bulk consumers are going to pay market price effective midnight tonight.
Well, George, that's what we're picking up from sources at the moment, and that is something that, has been in contemplation for a while now. In fact, when we spoke to oil marketing companies a little while earlier, they had indicated that this dual pricing system when it comes to diesel is not something that they are in strong favor of. But what we're picking up today is that the government has decided to go ahead and ask oil marketing companies to actually do this. We're talking about consumers like the power sector, the cement sector, the steel sector. These are consumers that directly buy diesel in bulk rates, and they will be the ones paying market rates going ahead, is what we're picking up. Once again, we're awaiting confirmation on that, because earlier when we did speak to oil marketing companies, they seem to indicate that this dual pricing system may not really be most effective while implemented. But if the government has decided, as very crucial decisions taken by the cabinet earlier today, if the government has decided it, then it's something that oil marketing companies are likely to implement. But definitely a huge impact on sectors like power, steel and cement. Not good news as far as they are concerned.
Right, that's Nitya, while we try and do sort of link up with a lot of these companies and get their reactions, really explain to our viewers how this 45 paise hike per litre when it comes to diesel is going to help the fortune of some of these diesel companies.
Well, Tanya, what we're picking up at the moment is that this is not a one-off diesel price hike we're actually talking about. They are going to be doing this, at least they're hopeful of doing this in timely intervals. It's beginning with 45 paise per litre right now, but it's likely to continue over the next couple of months is what we're given to understand. Also, what we're picking up from them is that they're very hopeful that before this fiscal year ends, before March 31st, they will at least do 2 more rounds of diesel price hikes. Again, they're talking about to the tune of anywhere between 40 to 60 paise a litre, nothing higher than that. But they're saying this significant increase in diesel prices itself will help in somewhat offsetting the extra subsidy burden that is likely to be imposed on them by the cabinet's earlier decision today to raise cap on a subsidized LPG cylinder from 6 to 9 cylinders per family. So they're hopeful that going ahead they can maintain this momentum. It is a politically very tough decision, of course, very sensitive decision to hike diesel prices. But given the fact that they're only considering quantum of 40 to 60 paise per litre, they're saying 3 more hikes before the end of this fiscal definitely will help them in terms of subsidies.